This summer, Algoma Township made many upgrades to its infrastructure using federal money. I live here in Algoma Township, and one of the improvements I was glad to see happen was the installation of 4 emergency sirens, because the closest one I can hear is in Plainfield Township.
Public safety was obviously at the top of that list.
Until now, residents of Algoma Township had to rely on emergency sirens located elsewhere to warn them about a dangerous situation.
Over the years, top 10 request is to put some of the emergency sirens. So we were one of only a handful of communities that had no sirens.
Now, 4 sirens are located around the township, including one across the street from Rachel Waybill.
Definitely gives me peace of mind. Like, I do have dogs, so they obviously hear it like crazy, but that is okay because you know what? It helps keep us safe.
Good share of the township will hear the sirens now.
Other improvements in the township include new overlooks and tables in Trussell Park, repaving streets like Edgerton Court and Rector Avenue.
We tried to look for things that would have the biggest impact over the long term.
Township Supervisor Kevin Green told me another big need was updating the 70-year-old Township Hall.
So this is the kind of the gemstone of everything.
A new addition was added to the building along with a new front desk, new staff offices, and more storage space for documents.
The office space we had before was very, very open, and so we were kind of lack of privacy.
Green tells me the projects were funded after the township decided to accept $1.3 million from the American Rescue Plan Act.
And we realized we were one of the only communities that said no to the money, and then we found out that we couldn't give it back to the residents, that we couldn't even put it towards the debt or anything.
By using federal money, Green says it was a great way to improve the township without using local tax dollars.
This is way overdue.
Green tells me the Township Hall project should be finished by September, and the township would like to add more emergency sirens in the future. In Algoma Township, I'm Darren Bauer, your Rockford reporter, Fox 17 News.